Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage quotes notifications on Instagram threads, easy and quick. If you want to manage it, all you have to do first open Instagram threads and then click these two lines here in the top corner and then go to notifications. After that go to threads and replies. Now scroll down until you find the quotes, and that's it. You can turn it on only from people you follow, and you can turn it on from everyone, and you can turn it off if you want so, and then just go back. You don't have to click save or something like that, and it will be saved. And that's it. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.